Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use their and it in sentences. When we mention something for the first time, we use their. After we referred to a specific place, fact, thing, or situation, we can use it instead. So have a look at the sentence example. There is a new study that shows that people who eat healthy food live longer. It is very interesting. So when I first mentioned the new study, I used the word there. So now we know that is what there is. It's referring to a new study. So I say it is very interesting. Now we know that it would be the new study. Let's have a look at another example. There is a cute dog. It is black and brown. If I am mentioning it for the first time, I say there. So now I know that we are talking about a dog. I don't have to keep repeating dog. When I say it, we know that it is the dog. So I don't need to say there is a cute dog. The cute dog is black and brown. I don't have to keep mentioning what I am talking about. We already know what it is because I mentioned it for the first time here and used the word there. Let's have a look at one more example. There is going to be a party tomorrow night. It starts at 7 p.m. So I am mentioning a party tomorrow night for the first time, so I use the word there. So now we know I am talking about the party. It starts at 7 p.m. We know that it is the party. So I don't have to say there is going to be a party tomorrow night. The party starts at 7 p.m. I don't have to keep repeating what it is. We already know. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.